You see these durians? We're in a durian farm in Penang, northeast pocket in Malaysia. It's raining, but we're still going to be training. But the raw vegan action here is Derek's showing us a little routine. Doesn't matter where you are, never far from a gym. So we're doing supersets. We've got we've got a little durian there. We've got the wall here. Boom, pops it up. Pulsing the handstand. Back down. See if we can zoom out a bit more. Easy. So they say you can't build muscle on plant food, man.
Yeah, no energy.
Derek's
No energy.
This is the durian lunge. Let's have a look at this back. Hey, look at that. This one's got, these are all the leaves on there still, because this one's just dropped. So I've still got the leaves. Smell good?
Fresh from the tree.
This is the raw fitness videos, man, uncut and raw. We're on a durian orchard in Penang, and this camera's playing around